shoot basketball!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot a basketball. Hey guys, welcome to Things I Learned. My name is Prakash. In this channel, I post how-to videos about basketball, filmmaking, YouTubing, and blogging. So if you are interested in any of these things and want to learn more, then please consider subscribing because a lot of great contents are on the way. Okay, so we're talking about shooting. Shooting is a skill and it takes time to learn. So don't feel bad when you see NBA players like Stephen Curry or Kevin Durant making all those nice shots and your friends in your college or schools making nice shots. Don't feel bad. They all work harder and harder to get into that position. And you too can become just like them. But all you need to do is practice, practice and practice. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you got the ball in basketball and you are ready to shoot. Before you shoot, you should make sure that you are standing properly. And what I mean by that is always make sure you are facing towards the basket and your feet are pointing towards the basket. Slowly take your dominant leg. If you are right-handed, then your right leg, or if you are left-handed, then your left leg. Take that leg a little bit front, so that there is a balance in your body, right? Then make sure your hands are spreaded well and and the ball is in control. Okay, now move your shooting hand. Okay, this is called guiding hand. Okay, for example, I shoot with the right hand. Okay, in this case my left hand is a guiding hand, and this hand, the job of this hand is just to guide, not to shoot. Okay, as a beginner, what we do is we try to shoot with both hands to get power, but that's not the right form of shooting. Okay, so this is a guiding hand and this is a shooting hand. So when you are shooting, take the shooting hand just below the ball and try to make a T shape. This is what I do, and this is not compulsory, but just showing you what I do. And make sure that there is always a finger gap. Again, this is how I feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable, because there are many NBA players who don't do this, like Stephen Curry, I think doesn't, he just holds the palm and he makes those excellent shots. So it's your choice. And just bend your body down and jump up, and when you are in your highest point, release the ball. And when you release the ball, try to release it with a nice arc and try to follow through after you shoot. Okay, this is very important for accuracy. All right, that's it. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If this video was helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. If I have missed any important point, or if something stood out for you, then please mention it in the comment box so that others can learn from it. And if you want me to make other videos just like this, then please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep practicing and stay amazing. See you in the next video. Bye.